in with like a handful of plastic chains real quick. Just grab. They should be right there in the bin to the left. They go. Hey everybody, can you see me? Can you hear me? Let me know. How you doing? Okay, there's somebody watching. Who is it? You? No. Okay. I don't know. I can't hear myself. If you can hear me, say it in the chat. We're waiting for Big Jeff. He has a big announcement. He's gonna be telling you what you wanted to hear. So hold on tight. Just a little. Two people, if you can, just leave me a thumbs up if you can hear me in the chat. Before because every time I do this shit, something happens and I screw it up. So
You ready?
I'm ready. Hey yo, yes sir.
Tell them it's working.
It's working. Look who's here. You want to change it? Change.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Okay.
Hurry up.
Um,
Here, right here. Right here. Right there. Okay, there you go. All right, good job, Corey. That's Corey. Okay.
Sorry. Okay.
All right, so we're talking about the giveaway for the Big Jeff Cuban giveaway. So here's where the story came about, and then I'm going to get into what we're giving away. Give a little backup because this could all be given away. Show them this. Okay, so. Okay, so long time ago, a couple of years ago, because I have real chain, somebody wanted to clown me and troll, and they bought a plastic chain. So instead of firing back, I just turned into a promotion, and it was the big chain by Big Jeff giveaway. So we're doing it. Text the word chain to 737 Big Jeff. That's easy. 737-244-5333. Spells out Big Jeff. Simple. Okay, when you text that word chain to there, you'll get an auto reply. Okay, it's going to enter you in a giveaway, and this is what we're going to give away. If you win, there's going to be an option. You could either get this American bass, huge. Look at this thing. What is this? Oh, it's going to break the counter. It's a king. Okay. Or if you don't have the setup or the electrics or stuff like that, this is brand new. We'll give you a whole system with a dual radio, an AudioControl amp, a B2 Audio Dual 8 box, and an amp kit. So they're about the same price, a little bit different. Not everybody can handle this, a box, power, all that, but you can pick this. So what we want to do is have fun with the Big Jeff chains, being I'm not giving out the real ones. And when you text that word, we're going to enter you in the giveaway. Now, we have the chains on our website as free gifts when you place orders. We've had a lot of people already buy them because they're just fun to play with. We also have the Big Jeff gold glasses. So this right now is the giveaway video. So what do you need to do? I need you always to like, comment on here, and share it out. That's the biggest thing, to promote and grow the Big Jeff Audio name. Then you're going to text the word chain to 737 Big Jeff. If you already did that in the last video, you're good. I asked you just to repost this out, but you're good. You will get an auto reply. It's going to ask for your info, and you're entered. And then I think not this podcast coming up with American Bass, but the podcast after that, we will announce the winner, and the winner could pick from this big, giant, brand new King or this whole system. So Big Jeff Cuban Link giveaway is starting again, and we have thousands of these. We're going to be hitting up shows with the Yukon 2.0, giving them out. We have them on our websites, and guess what? All I ask you to do is when you get them, just take a picture, send it in. Let's just have some car audio fun and put on some Big Jeff chains. So the giveaway starts now. Comment your name, location, why you should win, like the video, and definitely share this out. And just text the word chain to 737 Big Jeff. And you could either win this massive $1,000 plus sub from American Bass, brand new, or this whole system right here. You can pick. It's up to you. Okay? Giveaway, big chain giveaway, Big Jeff in the house from bigjeffaudio.com starts now. Anybody? Everybody's in there. We got to cut it off. I know it's a live, but if there's any kind of questions, I'll answer them. But the big thing is sharing this out, texting us, getting involved, and I want to give either this away or that away. What do you think, Ben?
Sounds good to me.
Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We got tons of chains, and you can get them on the website, right? You can get it for free. You can buy them, whatever you want to do. And then at the shows, I want to see you wearing them, taking pictures, and just having fun with car audio and Big Jeff from Big Jeff Audio. So, fun thing, turned a troll into the best promotion idea I ever had for the company. right? And we're doing it again. I got pallets of chains. So kids love them, adults love them, girlfriends love them. Everybody loves them. It's just fun. You can put a bunch together, make a really long chain, just really cool. So this live is for this, and you got to share this out. You got to text us, you got to comment, and you can win. Man, I don't know, would you pick this? But I mean, you wouldn't, because you got to get electricals, the box, you got to get an amp. But if you have all that, that'd be kind of cool, right? Okay, but if you don't and you just want a simple system, or for somebody, I got an amp kit here. I got a brand new AudioControl 600 watt amp. I got a B2 Audio Dual 8 box, and we got a radio, basically a whole system, man. You could have either one if you win. If it really blows up, I might just get both away. You ever think about that?
That's a good idea.
Big Jeff likes to do things big. I'm digging the chains, and we're locked and loaded, right? Okay,
Good.
so this live is live. I need y'all to share this live out. I need to start seeing the text come in, because I'm ready to give this stuff away, and we're gonna just do it in a couple weeks. What do we gotta do? They gotta text the word chain to 737 Big Jeff. All right, here, you tell them. Let's turn this around. What do they got to do?
Oh, they have to text the word chain to 737 Big Jeff. Mira, envía la palabra chain a 737-244-5333 y te puedes ganar
Right.
todas estas cosas que dijo Big Jeff. Puedes escoger entre este,
That's it. Right. And then, or this big giant.
And of course, like, share, comment, and subscribe if you're on YouTube.
Right. Tax time sale ends this weekend in most places.
true.
Right. Tax time sale ends most places. Tariffs are coming in. That's a real thing. Get your stuff this weekend. Man, we got Massive Audio, American Bass, B2, all the stuff's on sale. It ends this weekend. But you can win another giveaway. And don't forget, Monday, 7:30 p.m., Bob from American Bass and his son Gerwin will be on that night, 7:30 p.m. They're never on any kind of videos or chats or none of that. So he'll be on talking about American Bass. And then 2 weeks after that, I know I'm going to have on, but we're going to announce the winner, Ben. We're going to announce the winner.
Yeah, we have a lot of giveaways too.
Okay, got a lot of giveaways, right? Because we have Audio Pipe bi-weekly giveaway. We start another one after that.
Yeah.
What else we have? We have a Jensen thing. We got Marts.
And
Can't even keep up. But you can go on our website. There's a drop down that says giveaways, and I'll tell you which ones are active. So, all right, that's it. Gotta get back to work. I want to give either this away or this whole package away, or maybe both away, just for you texting the word chain to 737 Big Jeff and then sharing this out. All right, I'm done. Let's go.